Rig Veda Aranyaka, Bridging Rituals and Spiritual Contemplation. Abstract. The Rig Veda Aranyaka, situated between the ritualistic Brahmanas and the philosophical Upanishads, offers a transition from external rites to inner contemplation. This article explores the distinct features, themes, structure, and contributions of the Rig Veda Aranyaka. By delving into these texts, we uncover the hidden layers of symbolism, cosmology, and meditation that enrich the Vedic tradition. Introduction. The term Aranyaka translates to forest treatise, signifying contemplative practices conducted in solitude, often within forest settings. The Rig Veda Aranyaka, a component of the Vedic literature, represents a bridge between the ritual-focused Brahmanas and the profound philosophical inquiries of the Upanishads. These texts offer meditative insights that delve deeper into the spiritual dimensions of the Vedic hymns. Distinct characteristics. The Rig Veda Aranyaka texts are characterized by their blend of ritualistic elements and spiritual contemplation. They move beyond the external aspects of rituals to explore the symbolic, cosmological, and philosophical meanings of the hymns. The Aitareya Aranyaka, one of the prominent texts in this category, holds a pivotal place in Vedic thought. Themes and structure. The central theme of the Rig Veda Aranyaka is the inner interpretation of the Rigvedic hymns. These texts emphasize the allegorical meanings of the rituals, associating them with cosmic principles, deities, and spiritual truths. The structure often follows the sequence of rituals, guiding the reader through layers of symbolism and contemplation. Symbolism and cosmology. The Rig Veda Aranyaka texts delve into the symbolism of rituals, connecting them to the macrocosm and microcosm. The outer acts are interpreted as reflections of inner spiritual states. These texts provide insights into the interconnectedness of the human experience and the cosmic order, offering a holistic perspective on existence. Meditation and inner realization. While the Rig Veda Aranyaka texts acknowledge the importance of rituals, they emphasize the role of meditation and inner realization. Through contemplative practices, these texts guide seekers toward understanding the deeper meanings of the hymns and connecting with the transcendent reality beyond the material world. Contributions and legacy. The Rig Veda Aranyaka texts contribute to the evolution of Vedic thought by introducing spiritual contemplation within the ritual framework. They lay the foundation for the philosophical inquiries that would be explored more extensively in the Upanishads. The insights provided by these texts have left a lasting impact on the trajectory of Indian philosophical and spiritual development. Relevance today. In an era where people seek deeper spiritual understanding, the Rig Veda Aranyaka remains relevant. Its emphasis on moving beyond rituals to inner contemplation and the exploration of cosmic truths resonates with modern seekers interested in understanding the profound dimensions of existence. Conclusion. The Rig Veda Aranyaka occupies a significant place in the Vedic tradition, representing a bridge from ritualistic practices to meditative contemplation. Through its allegorical interpretations, cosmic insights, and emphasis on inner realization, these texts offer a glimpse into the layers of symbolism and spirituality that enrich the Vedic thought. They serve as a testament to the ancient wisdom that recognized the interconnectedness of rituals, consciousness, and the universe.